This is Bob, K1BI8, BIF, K1BIF at HamCon, which is the ARRL Vermont Convention. And we're now here to see a demonstration using oscilloscopes. Take it away.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, I'm Jeff Bonn, N1YD. And first thing I'd like to show is on this tectonic scope, the idea of an oscilloscope is, you can think of it as a dot. And if I apply 1.5 volts, it moves 1.5. Well, it moves 3 divisions over. If I apply it the other polarity, it moves it that way. I have a second channel that would move it up and down as well. So over here, I have a function generator that's making 2 sine waves. When I put that on the scope, one of them is wiggling the dot left and right. The other is wiggling the dot up and down. And if they were perfectly in phase, there would just be a line. If the frequencies are just a little different, the figure will change. Yeah, this is known as a Lissajous pattern. If it's a multiple of the frequency, what are we here? Twice the frequency, you get one of those. No, there's twice the frequency. So you wonder what that actually means. Sometimes it looks like it's turning one way versus the other. And such things as that. Along with that, over here I have a much newer scope. I can show you what is called Fourier analysis. That's Mr. Fourier. Before people had radios or computers, he mathematically figured out that a function function can be analyzed and frequencies figured out from it. So here's my phone with a 9-volt battery to make it do touch tone beats. And a 1 makes those 2 frequencies. Each row makes one of the tones move up and down. Each column makes the higher frequency move. So with an oscilloscope, you can measure frequency, amplitude, you can see the shape of a waveform. For logic kind of circuits, you can watch what several parts of the circuit are doing. And that's the point of having oscilloscopes.
Excellent. All right, thanks a lot for the talk. Is there anything else you want to say?
Those are the high points.
All right, sounds good. All right, thanks a lot. We're going to end this this session and stay tuned for the next.